Meanwhile, in St. Elizabeth, a family is homeless after fire destroyed their 3-bedroom house. Firefighters in Santa Cruz say they got a call about a house fire in Sea Air community about 11:27 Friday night. When they got there, it was too late to save anything.
Only what I have on, I have nothing. Everything burned up. No clothes, no shoes, nothing at all. And only what me and my brother have on, that's all we have. That's all. Everything burned up. Everything.
Firefighters suspect arson. Loss is estimated at close to $8 million, and the family is asking for help.
March I come and make 2 years since my brother dead, and only me and Sirani. We need help. We need help. We really need help.
If you want to help the family, call 502-8688. That's 502-8688.